To inspect or replace the air filter on your P3200iE generator, follow these steps. Ensure the generator is on a flat, level surface. Start by loosening the two maintenance cover fasteners and remove the cover. Carefully position the fuel hoses out of the way. Clean the area around the air box thoroughly. Then unscrew the two fasteners and remove the airbox cover. Remove the air filter and inspect for damage or excessive debris. If the filter is damaged, replace it with a new one. Submerge the filter in a solution of warm water and household detergent. Squeeze out the excess water after soaking. Repeat several times until the water coming from the filter is clean. Once completely dry, apply air filter oil to the foam filter and distribute evenly. Remove any excess oil and replace if any damage occurs to the filter. Clean the inside of the airbox and cover thoroughly. Reinstall the air filter. Then reinstall the airbox cover, ensuring a proper seal, and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. Reinstall the fuel hoses into their holders. Reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit polarispower.com.